These little packages are brine chicken parts. We brine it, we season it, we cook it, we wrap it, and we're going to serve it right in this tinfoil package. Today I'm making brine chicken parts. You can use any kind of chicken that you like. I've chosen some drums today, about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. And we're going to brine it. Now this brine is special. I worked on this brine for 2 years on my competition barbecue team. And we brined our chicken before we jerked it. And I'll put a link for that, for jerk chicken. But my jerk chicken won $2,000 first place 3 years in a row. So the recipe for this is below in the comments. I've got some Swerve brown sugar, 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of kosher salt. 4 cups of water. Just going to dissolve that. Now, we worked very hard on this brine mixture, and it's perfect. It gives you really super moist chicken, and if you want to, a whole chicken would fit into this actually. But if you wanted to do a turkey, just double it. Okay, that's dissolved. I'm going to put so I've got a little over 1.5 pounds here. I'm going to put them into the brine, totally submerge them, burp the air out as you go. I'm going to put that in the fridge for 2 hours exactly. I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, so my chicken parts are totally submerged in the brine, and I put it in the fridge for exactly 2 hours. Now I'm just going to take them out. I'll just set them on this plate. Discard the brine. Okay, we're going to take a mixing bowl, and I've got 1/4 cup of Carbalose flour. If you haven't tried it, it's really good. In moderation, of course. And this is my sugar-free chicken rub. And I'm just going to put that in, mix it with my fingers. Now, you can cook on the grill. I normally do this on my little smoker, but I haven't used my air fryer in a while. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to use the air fryer today. And you can do it in the oven too if you like. So what I'm going to do is take this chicken and put it in and just pack this rub and flour into this drumstick. Totally coat it. Now, with the brine, it's not going to taste salty at all. And I'm going to put this in skin side up. And there's the last one. I'll put that in, skin side up. And you can see I've got a little bit of the mixture left. And that, I wrote this recipe if you wanted to do 2 pounds. This is only 1.5 pounds. So next step is to put this in, 325 degrees, and we're going to go for 20 minutes, just to get some color into it. Okay, there we go. That's 20 minutes at 325 in the air fryer. And I'm going to take 1 piece of tin foil per piece of chicken. And you can see the nice color in that. I'm going to put it on the tin foil like that. And we're going to put some sugar-free barbecue sauce on. The recipe for the barbecue sauce is below also. You can just put it on the top, around the side, whatever you like. And we're going to form it into a nice little bundle. Seal it up really well. Off to the side. So they're half cooked right now, so we're going to cook them a little bit more in this braising method. And you want this sugar-free barbecue sauce on there. My sauce has a little bit of smoke in it. I normally do it in the smoker, but this will be fine. It's a lot like my picnic chicken. Crip it up so the juices don't leak out. And back in. Just stick them back in like that. And we're going to go for another 325 for about 20 minutes or so till it's cooked. Okay, my brine chicken has gone for about 20 minutes. It's all common sense. It depends on what you're cooking it on. If you're going on the grill, you know, it can burn like a little hot. If you're going in a smoker, it can burn hot. And we're going to take these. These are very hot right now. The brining makes this so super moist. It's kind of braising it in the foil. And that's a great way. If you're struggling with chicken, you put it on the smoker or the grill. Look at that. That's a nice piece of chicken right there. You're going to serve them in these little tidy packages. And that's going to sit probably for another 10 minutes or 20 minutes. And then you can have a dipping sauce on the side. I did it in the air fryer today, but you can do it on the grill or in the oven or on the smoker. There's my brined chicken parts. It's hot. Thanks for watching.